I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing. Confirm your league region and update the client so nothing blocks connection. Next, pick a reliable VPN provider with low latency servers in the country you want. Once chosen, sign in and select a fast protocol like WireGuard or OpenVPN UDP. These balance speed and security. Make sure to close the League of Legends client before connecting so DNS or socket conflicts don't occur. This avoids errors and gives you a clean network route when you launch the game. Once connected to the chosen VPN server, test your ping inside the VPN app and pick the lowest latency node. Then, configure DNS to the VPN's recommended resolver or a fast public DNS such as 1 to avoid slow lookups. Disable IPv6 if it creates leaks or instability. After DNS is set, run the League client as administrator. If the launcher won't authenticate, use the client's repair tool to rebuild files and clear cached network sessions. To finish, sign into League and confirm the server region and match queue reflect the VPN location. Expect a small matchmaking delay while the system adjusts. If you encounter problems, first toggle VPN protocol or reconnect to a different node. Then clear your DNS cache with ipconfig/flushdns on Windows and relaunch the client. Make sure the VPN kill switch is configured so it won't drop mid-game, and monitor jitter. If it exceeds about 50 ms, switch servers to maintain stable gameplay and avoid packet loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.